Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today taking a look into the charts. Where do we stand? The S&P 500 isn't looking that bad. Bitcoin is correlating with it very much, so that's what we start with. They will open in a few hours from now. If they open very strongly, I would consider placing a scalp long for Bitcoin. Otherwise, I won't touch longs yet. Stuff is very bearish since Elon's tweet. I see a lot of spot selling, the same selling, the same kind of thing that brought us up here, basically from 24k to 30k. We saw it for a while. Basically, spot selling, derivatives not running the show, spot completely pushing the price up. Fundings didn't matter, premiums on exchanges didn't matter, nothing did matter. We just mooned all the way up with spot selling. Yeah, how important is it? Is it, if there's big spot selling? It is important, but I mean, somebody is unloading heavy bags. At least that is that's what I think. S&P, looking good. I think it will go higher. It can go higher. If it breaks down, Bitcoin will break down as well. Take a look at the Dixie. A lot of people do not believe this can be, it is possible for Bitcoin that a top is in. The top for Bitcoin in 2018 or 2017 for crypto in general was over here. Also, when Bitcoin topped out, then we had an alt run, Ethereum run. And we just had that for the last month, I would say. So in that perspective, it was kind of the same ending as 2017, 2018. However, we didn't really have a blow off top. But this bull market was very different because I think we had a lot of institutions, even Paul Tudor Jones, the Soros boys, you name it, a lot of big players, which really changes the chart, I would say. Higher low for Dixie compared to 2018 over here, making higher lows at the moment. So, I mean, it could be that stuff is over right now. But let's take a look. A lot of people do not look at the weekend candles. They even exclude them out of their charts. But last night's close, was very bad. We had a bearish retest over here. If we close over here now, or an inverse shooting star is what it's called, I believe. And that is actually a reversal thing. But I mean, for me, all eyes on the S&P or ES1 open in a few hours from now. A lot of people are targeting 42k. I know why they do it. They're seeing support over there. I see it too. For me right now, it's either bull market or safe, or like bear market or save the bull market. Seeing a big trend line over here, which we already broke. Barely did a retest on this one as well. I don't know. I do not like it. It's not bullish. Sorry, guys. We can have bounces, of course, but right now, the thing is, I do not see heavy discounts yet. I do not see strong spot buying. I see weakness instead. So, yeah, is it over? I'm gonna be careful. This is what we were seeing for Ethereum over here. Well, this is what we were hoping for yesterday. Right now, we only see this one as support over here, I would say. The breakout over here, lows on it over there, and right now, we're going for another tap. If this one breaks, gives in, it will send Ethereum down a lot. And yeah, where do we have horizontal supports? I would say over here. places like that on previous stops, you know, barely supports, we went straight up. So yeah, sorry for my bearish talking today, guys. I am kind of bearish. Head and shoulders over here, you know, that seems to be the case. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and boom, down. Ethereum BTC, just weakness. All I can see is weakness. Also, you know, I'm not looking for a rejection or a reaction on it in the weekend. We'll take a look when markets open again. The boomer markets it is. How is Ethereum BTC holding up? Ethereum BTC holding up on a lower time frame. Bitcoin is dumping on a lower time frame, but Ethereum BTC is holding up a little bit. I mean, you know, right now we're just looking to hold these lows, I would say. And that is about that for Ethereum BTC. I mean, the chart is just, this is just bearish, you know. It's looking for supports, looking for a reversal over here. I just see lower lows, you know, and you just want to see those lower lows get less low and make a little bit of a inverse head and shoulders, and that is when I'm buying. And I want to see higher lows again and higher highs, and that is how I spot it, you know. SNX looking good still, no weakness, same pattern still, you know. If they cross this low, you get out. All I can say. Lower time frame stuff seems to be bouncing. Looking at other screens. DOGE, lower high and higher low for now. So on a lower time frame, first, you know, we have this line. Then we have this line, basically. And right now, you know, what you want to see is them holding this low over here, or potentially this one. As long as they hold it, you know, you can long it for a breakout of this trend line, and then your targets are this one, and get out, you know, if it gets over there. All I can say, CRV, sideways, still sideways, not caring much about what Bitcoin is doing or other coins are doing, just sideways, looking good. Tightening, waiting for a breakout, and I would say up, continuation to the upside. Matic has pumped a lot, guys. Be careful with Matic. This is 5 minutes. That's, I mean, Matic, I've never really been a fan of Matic, and why is that? Well, okay, 1 week is a bit too much. Let's go to the 1 day. These things happened a couple times, you know, and I mean, that is something, I see it, you know, and then I'm like, yeah, I do not like trading that. And the daily, you know, is a little bit of reversal doji. 5 minute, what do I see in the 5 minute? See a low over here. See a low over there. I do not really like it. A little bit of a head and shoulders over here. You could make one out of this one as well. This low, this low, this low. So it's the same pattern, you know, we saw a few days ago on Ethereum. Yeah, I don't know. It looks weak to me. You could see something like this. But no, I wouldn't touch it. Really needs to bounce over here, break out of this trend line, and make higher highs. Then longing it until everybody's longing it, and then you get out. SRM, big breakout today. Very happy with that. It's in my spot bags. Last few days, I've been basically charting all my own coins, the coins I invested in. So yeah, SRM looking very good. What is it? Still 24% up on the daily. So yeah, very good. looking for continuation. This is the level you want to see them break. These highs basically, you know, it's just a horizontal. You just draw it on previous highs. AVAX for our chart. I think a pump in it is possible. Let's get these two out. Yeah, it's just consolidating and in a tightening range, you know, and or a wedge, and looking for a breakout, you know, looking to make higher highs. So we have this high is basically $40 over there, and then we have these highs. You get out when they make lower lows. So let's say $34. You get out if they hit $34. Until then, you know, you target upside, and I would say $60 easy possible. Taking a look at the funding rates. And going up for Bybit and BitMax, oh sorry, only Bybit. Only look at these two, coin margined, or token margined, whatever. And yeah, I do not like to see them go up, but Bybit's funding period, you know, is just being, it's just not that long ago yet, so it is not that trustworthy yet. And that is about it for today. All eyes for me are on the S&P 500, and I want to see some spot buying. If I don't see the spot buying soon, I think the bear market has started. Maybe it already has started. Yeah, just make sure, you know, you do not keep buying the dip endlessly. A lot of people were euphoric this morning. We saw a little bit of a bounce. I didn't see any spot buying, so yeah, we're basically, you know, the hopium is this being the higher low compared to this one. Yeah, and we just see spot buying back. That's it. I have kind of a gut feeling Elon is lying, you know, and is selling his bags. So that is about it for today. Break this low, you know, and I mean, sadly, everybody who's calling for 42K, yeah, is gonna be right probably, and I'm afraid even lower. So sorry for the bearish message, guys. I'm just being honest. Could be a very good bottom indicator. Who knows? I just want to see spot buying, then I'm comfy again. And that is about it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.